Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to share something that I learned and basically, it's a good idea to clean your carpet once in a while. And if you have carpet, it's always a little maintenance over there, of course, right? So we're going to go upstairs and walk through the bedrooms and the hallway at the same time as well and show you the carpet. So currently this is how it looks like. It's not really dingy or it's not dirty. And of course, for those folks that have pets or rentals and stuff like that, it might be worthwhile to clean it every time you change a tenant and such. So this is the carpet, and currently it's barely 7 years. And I could say the carpet doesn't look dirty at all. But then again, I'm going to show you why that cleaning it was a good decision. So still in great shape overall. Not a lot of wear and tear. And this is the master over here. Nice size master bedroom. And looking around, I mean, you get a close up over here. Maybe there's little, you know, darker in some areas than others, but it's still very minuscule, right? And a lot of people over time want to change the carpet. And if you're renting a place, definitely ask your landlord if they would clean your carpet. All right. So, and again, these are not light color carpet. You can see that even in the closet. And there's a few discoloration over here. It happens, and you can't really fix it. I mean, there's discoloration in the carpet. So here's the other room. Decent sized rooms, by the way. This is pretty much a starter place, starter home. Nice size adequate closet. And yeah, pets and stuff like that. That made me a little bit more work. There's a little stain on the left side. I don't know if you can see on the camera over here. But notice there's some areas are a little bit darker than others. And that's pretty much a quick walkthrough of the carpet before it gets cleaned. And I don't think it's really that dirty. I've been, actually sitting on the stairs and such too. So it's like, well, it's pretty clean overall. So my wife decided we should definitely consider cleaning it, and makes it look better. And initially I didn't think cleaning would make a difference at all. I think it's already clean, right? So what a difference! Woo! And you can see this. Yes, it's still wet over here, and we found out that it takes about a day to dry, maybe. So I came back the next day, it's dry. But I'm taking these pictures first, and also a little closer up as well. Then I'm going to do the video walkthrough after it's clean. For this little area, I paid under $300 for it, and it's pretty reasonable, I would say. And of course, some people say, I got a cheaper price. You could get your own cleaning machine and clean it, but it won't be as good as a professional. Let's put it that. We already cleaned it with our carpet cleaning machine before decided to hire a professional. So we got all furniture and everything out, and it's wet right now. You can see it's still wet. But let's take a look. And it hasn't changed after it dried. And it's kind of like a giveaway over here. I mean, yes, everything is very neat and nicely clean. So the carpet cleaning professional really did a great job. Impressive. So this is the master again. And notice there's no darkened areas pretty much. Every area is like brand new. And it also smells like brand new as well too, amazingly. So close up again. You notice a little bit lighter. It's about 2 shades lighter at least. And same with the hallway. Yeah, those discoloration is still there. You can't really fix that. Okay, so let's look at this room over here. And this room over here at the same time, you also notice that there's no, darkened areas, I guess. And it might be worthwhile to get the carpet clean once in a while. I mean, it's a good idea to keep everything nice and neat. and I didn't get to show the other area, but it's just as clean. So it smells and touches like brand new carpet after the cleaning. I could tell that experience. I mean, I haven't really done much carpet cleaning other than, hey, just buy one of those Hoover machines and clean it. So the professionals definitely have a better equipment than what you could get from those aftermarket uh, steam clean and etc. machines, right? So worth the price, worth the effort, and steam clean or carpet cleaning service definitely did a great job. So I just want to share something that I learned. Hopefully you like the video surprise today. I really appreciate thumbs up, comment or shares. Please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.